For you, hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Now, in this video, I'm talking about Bittorrent price prediction. What's the price of Bittorrent? What is the price changes occur in the BTT coin? In this video, I will show you all update. But before starting this video, guys, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. The right now price of Bittorrent token is about 0.00319 USD dollar. That is right now price of Bittorrent token. And furthermore, if you study the changes update, so now guys the whole changes is going negative and I'm feeling very uncomfortable about Bitcoin token because the price are going very badly negative, guys. Let me show you price chart. Now you can see here very petty from yesterday the price of PTT very petty dump, guys. So now a lot of people decide to sell, guys, due to this dump, and I recommend that it's too bad, guys. Don't decide to sell due to this dump. Anyways, what is your prediction? What is your update about Bitcoin token? And how do you feel? Is you're feeling good or bad? Please also tell me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.